phonic sounds sound, that is the long vowel. Now we have already completed the sound examples. Okay, for each vowel, that is A, E, I, O, U. A, E, O, A. A, E, O, A. That is A, E, I, O, U. Each letter, vowel, sound we have completed for sound. Okay. Now we will see the story. Okay. This is the story time for the long vowel. That is the vowel. Because it's very important to clear the concept of each digraph. This is one of the digraph. So we will start reading the story. See the screen and try to recognize with the help of sounds for each letter. Okay, start. Read the story first. There was a well on the hill. There was a there was a well on the hill hill. There was a well on the hill. There was a well on the hill. You can see the well. Where is the well? It's on the hill. So that's why they are saying there was only a well. Only a well is there. So that means there was a well on the hill. Jill. Who is that girl? The girl's name is Jill. So what she did to get what she done? She went up the hill. Why she went up the hill? We will read in this story. Okay, we will find out why she went up the hill. Okay, Jill. Her name is Jill, who went up the hill. What she have done? She went up the hill. Jill. Jill. Went. Went up. The hill. Jill went up the hill. Why she went up the hill? So what she have done? There was a well on the hill. Where was the well? It was on the hill. So there was a well on the hill wherein Jill, a girl, so what she done? She went. How she went up the hill? By walk. She went up the hill. Why she went up the hill? Because her doll fell into the well. Why she went up the hill? Because her doll, see in the screen, she had hugged the doll, isn't it? Yes. So her doll fell into the well. See the double L sound here. Her doll, doll fell, fell into the 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 well. Her doll fell into the well. So how she will pull out the doll? See, who can pull the doll out? That's a question. Who can pull the doll out? So we will read this one. Who? Who? Who can? Can. Can. Pull. Pull. The doll. Doll out. 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 the doll out? That's the question. So who went up the hill? Who can say who went up the hill? Jill. Yes, the girl went up the hill because her doll fell into the well. So she was the alone who went up the hill to get the doll out. So how she got the doll out? Jill can pull the doll out. Who can pull the doll out? Jill. The girl can pull the doll out. So the last line, Jill, Jill can, 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 pull, pull, the, the, all, doll, doll, out. Jill can pull the doll out. Okay, we will read once again. There was a, now from starting we will read now with emphasizing the double L sound. That is one of the diagraph. Okay, we'll emphasize on well, hill, Jill, doll, fell, well, pull, doll, Jill, pull, doll. Okay, we'll emphasize in this. Okay, now there was a well on the hill. There was a well on the hill. Jill went up the hill. Jill went up the hill. Her doll fell into the well. Her doll fell into the well. Who can pull the doll out? Who can pull the doll out? Jill can pull the doll out. Jill can pull the doll out. Okay, we'll start once again. There was a well on the hill. Jill went up the hill. Her doll fell into the well. Who can pull the doll out? Jill can pull the doll out. I hope you are able to recognize and identify each letter sound. Also the digraph one, which is long vowel, that is the double L sound. Okay. Thank you. See you on the next class. For more details, you can WhatsApp us on the given number, that's 94881-86920, or you can visit our site www.compass.org, or else you can mail us on compass.org@gmail.com. Thank you.